Number 1, A. Existence, hindi existence. Number 2, A or B. A. Beginning, N, hindi single N. Number 3, foreign. Letter B. Mauuna yung E bago yung I. Number 4, business. B. Business. Number 5, conceivable. A or B? Tama. Ibig sabihin, conceivable, capable of being imagined. Number 6, ito ba yung UKU or yung UKE? Tama, yung A. Number 7, holiday. Siyempre, yung isa lang yung L. Number 8, of course, yung B. Different and not different. Of course, yung A. Number 10, agreed. Single G lang. B. Number 11, leisurely. Yung B. Mauuna yung E and not I. Number 12, disappear. Yung B. Double P and not double S. Number 13, labeled. Yung A. Itong isa, commonly misspelling ito. Number 14, beneficial. Beneficial, of course, yung B. Beneficial, BENEFICIAL. Next, number 15, feminine. Which one is the correct spelling? Share your answer in the comment.